Really quick video just to show you how to reset the chip on a C9344 maintenance box using this chip resetter, and also how to replace the pads inside so that you can reuse your maintenance box. So this is just a new box, but I'm going to use it as a demo. As you can see, the chip has 7 contact points, 3 at the top here and 4 at the bottom when it's in this orientation. And the resetter itself has 4 contact pins on one level and 3 contact pins on the other level. And what you're doing is basically lining up the 2 sets of pins and 2 sets of contacts so that they connect. Not literally. Line them up, press them together, and you'll get that green light on the resetter to show that it has been reset. And I'll try a different angle just to be sure. Like that. And that's the chip reset. Make sure you put the little cover back on to protect the pins. And in terms of replacing the pads, you need something like a flathead screwdriver. And what you do is put it in to one side near one of these little retaining lugs. Just put it in, twist and squeeze at the side and push back, so lever it back out. Once you've got it to this point, you can then use your screwdriver or your fingers just to take that lid off. Then use your screwdriver again to lever out the old pads, like so. And we're just going to use the same ones to put them back in. Obviously, orient the pads so that they fit on the inside. So that goes in like that. Then you have these bits. Line up the little cut notch at the bottom like that so that it matches with that little thin piece there, and then you slide those in like so, so that you end up with your pads looking like this. Thinner section here is going towards the chip, and the fatter, longer section going towards the rear, away from the chip. Once that's all in and you're happy, you then replace your lid with this moulding is on the inside and the smoother section is on the outside. And same again, so thinner section towards the chip, fatter section towards the rear, and then just put it in on one side. So there you go, that's how you replace the pads and reset the chip on a C9344 maintenance box.